In this video I'm going to show you how to add a checklist in Jira. So what you need to do is open your Jira account, and after that we need to navigate to our project. So here we can find our projects and then make sure you will select the right one. After that the project will be opened and now we can navigate to the board. So once you have navigated to the board you will find your to-do task. After that you can select the to-do task to open it. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you will be able to see all activities. Now if you navigate to the comments, then you are able to leave a comment into your to-do task. So what you need to do is basically go to the plus sign and insert a element, and there you will find different options. The next step is to search for action, and there you will find the action item element. Select this element, and as you can see we have now created a checkbox. And let's say we would like to add different actions into this checklist. Now once you are finished, you can save the checklist into your comments by clicking on the save button. And as you can see, we have now created a checklist in Jira. And now if people click on the checkboxes, they can check off all the actions to do within this project. This is how you add a checklist in Jira. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye!